Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your Apple ID and basic conditions. This matters because iCloud links to that account. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Once there, enable Photos. This switches uploads on. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and your battery is charging, since large uploads pause on cellular or low power. Also check iCloud storage. If you're low, free space, or upgrade to a plan, otherwise uploads will stall. Start uploads now so the app can queue items. Once iCloud Photos is enabled, adjust options to fit your needs. Choose Download and keep originals if you need full-size files locally, or optimize storage to save device space while keeping originals in iCloud. Make sure background app refresh is allowed so uploads continue when the screen sleeps. If you have many images, expect initial syncing to take hours. You can pause and resume by toggling iCloud Photos. To verify progress, open Photos and look at the bottom for upload status. You finish by verifying that your photos appear on iCloud, Com, or a second Apple device. That confirms a successful backup. If items don't show, restart the device and re-enable iCloud Photos. This refresh often clears stuck uploads. Also make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi and not exceeding your iCloud storage. If so, delete unused backups or upgrade. One key tip: sign out and sign back into your Apple ID only as a last resort, because it may reindex large libraries and take extra time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.